Hello everyone! Today is December 31 and before the year end, I wanted to share this new arrangement in my garage area near our front door. So I made this clean up and arrangement today. So before I start with my video, I wanted to greet everyone a happy new year and God bless us all. So let's start. So I have here the snake plant and a little ornament which is a frog, and this one is another kind of snake plant. Yeah, this one is Sansevieria honey eye. So it's a variegated one, yeah. And beside it, I have here the Adansonii eye, if I'm not mistaken with the ID. And I have here a little frog, which they say it's a lucky when you have a figurine of frog, just like the one here sitting down on the pot. So at the back of the snake plant, I have a fern. Yeah, it's a small pot only. It's a tall white pot. And then beside the Adansonii eye, I have here another honey eye. It's a variegated Sansevieria. Look how yellowish is the color with a lining of bean on its tip. But the mother plant is not that yellow in color. Yeah. So it's pretty. So the next one is a kind of alocasia. This alocasia has been with me during pandemic time, so it was long ago already, or it was been 5 years, I think, more than. Yeah. So I just repotted it here. It's actually the baby already of the mother plant. And I have here the mother plant of my snake plant, which is the luckiest plant last year 2025, and this is actually an offset already. So this is what you can find in the first layer of my rack here in the garage area near our front door. So if you would notice, if the pots are all the same and it's color white, it's very aesthetic to look at, right? So let's go to the second layer. I have here another Sansevieria. It's a variegated one. The one on top is dwarf 1 and 2, and this one is not a dwarf, but it's also a variegated. Look, it's alright. I bought this Sansevieria just last year, yeah. And I have here Adamsii cactus and a variegated jade left there. And I have a jade plant, of course, the luckiest plant every year, but it's quite dehydrated, although I watered it just yesterday. So beside it, I have the Forever Rich. So I bought this online. It's supposed to be variegated, but what the seller sent me is non-variegated. But I am so lucky because they say when they give flower, it gives flower, the Forever Rich, you will be lucky. I hope I will be lucky, but I really feel I'm so blessed with having all this kind of plant as a collection, because I really love collecting plants. So this is Forever Rich, and this pot was a gift for my friend, yeah, Mama Donna TV. Thank you so much. So I planted donkey steel, yeah, so it's getting longer, so it looks like it becomes the hair of the pot, yeah. And I have here a rare plant, which is a Tears of Angel, that was given me by the seller. This one is a kind of a water. It's actually a 2-head, yeah, pretty nice. Look, before it's just 1-headed, it's so small, but now it's so lush and pretty to look at. I have placed here also a variegated Simnocalcium. This is the variegated Simnocalcium that I have. here in my garden. And I have a Buddha pot, which was a gift from my friend too during pandemic. And I planted on it variegated ramsii. Look how pretty the color. So they say that orange and red, it's a lucky color for the year. I'm sorry for the noise. So I'm near the road actually. So I have here my cristata and the elephant bush or jade left, and I have here the rain cactus and euphorbia. It's been with me I think for 2 years or more than 2 years. And I have an old ornament there, a grandma and a grandpa. So this is what you can see in the second layer of my plant rack here in the garage area. So on the third layer, I have here a regular, or shall I say, an ordinary sansevieria. It's newly potted actually. And I have this kind of agave. So I don't really like collecting agave except for this one because I'm really afraid of the thorns. It actually have an offset on the side there. And I have another. I'm not so sure if this is Haworthia. It has 3 ladies. And this is the mother plant. So I'm really sorry the noise. I have to pause the video. And in front I have here the variegated swirl. Gives me I think 3 offset. This one is a offset with a very good variegation. This 2 has, actually the other one have, but the other one I'm not so sure yet. It has, but not so much. I have here the King Victoria, yeah, and Haworthia. Yeah, I have here another jade plant. In Haworthia, it's a combination of variegated and non-variegated. I have here a kind of aloe and it's very lush. Actually, this one is the mother plant. So all on the sides are its offset. So I don't know exactly the name. So this one is another kind of Haworthia. It's very pretty. And this one, so I have here the Gasteria, the blue aloe, yeah, but it doesn't have a color of blue, I don't know, but that's the name given me by the seller. And I have a variegated elephant bush or jadelet, but it's not so lush, but it's still recovering. I have here the euphorbia, the last plant in the third layer of the rack. So this is what you can see in the third layer of the rack. It's a combination of Haworthia, aloes, and sansevieria, and as well as agave. So it's pretty nice, and I'm really satisfied on the outcome of the arrangement that I made on this rack. And beside the rack, I have here another. I think this is silver sansevieria, if I'm not mistaken. I just bought it last year. Yeah, this is same time when I bought this one. And at the back, I have here the Zizi plant. They said it's so lucky when you put it near your front door, as well as the snake plant. So I place it there. But I still need to put red ribbon there. And I also have here near Ardor a prayer plant. It looks dehydrated. And there are some more plants there. This is a kind of fern. I love collecting ferns. Those ferns, I just collected it from my orchid pot, so I don't buy them. And this one is a kind of caladium. Look how pretty is the green color here. And lastly, I wanted to share the, sorry for showing you the slipper. So it's beside our slipper rack. So this is the areca tree or palm tree. They say it's lucky to put it near your front door. So that's all my sharing for today. I hope you like my sharing. I hope you do collect also some lucky plants. So I really love collecting this kind of plants, especially when they have pretty pot to put on, because especially when it's white, it's very clean, but it's really hard to maintain white pots because it really gets dirty after some time. But I am really happy to have this kind of rack this year, full of very healthy and beautiful plants. So there's nothing wrong to collect this kind of plants, especially the sansevieria, or the plants that they say that it's lucky for this year. So there's nothing wrong if you want to buy, or if you want to. Actually, I did not buy them. I just repotted most of them. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe. And if you do like my video, please hit the like button and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. So bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Happy gardening, everyone, and Happy New Year.